Hey there, welcome back to Techify. Are you worried about what your kids are up to on their phones? You are not alone. As you know, for parents, the biggest concern is the safety of their children. Not only are they worried about their children being bullied and scammed online, but they are also worried about their children browsing inappropriate content and being addicted to the internet. Spyx can help parents solve all their worries. It can locate the location of their children's phone in real time to ensure their children's personal safety. In addition, it can monitor the apps most used by children, such as WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Also, know who your children are chatting with and what content they watch online in real time, ensuring your children's online safety without being discovered by them. With Spyx, you can finally gain peace of mind knowing your children is protected from harmful content, cyberbullying, and online predators. So the link to this website is available in the video description. Click on try now. And here you need to create an account, enter your email address, then password. And the next step is you need to install the app on your child's phone. You need to set the type of device you want to monitor. For Apple device, you need to verify the iCloud account. And for Android phone, here we have two options. You can either verify Google account or you can install the app on device. After installation, give it necessary permissions. Then enter the registration code. And you can also hide this app in your child's phone. And now if I go to Spyx website and after login successfully, I can see the data of my child's phone. You can see all the features in the sidebar of the interface. Click on the corresponding feature to view all the data of the software. Spyx also offers the ability to monitor your kids' calls and text messages, view any photo or videos saved on their phones, and more. The SMS monitoring feature lets you read every text message that your kid sends and receives. This also works very well. And with location tracking, you can see where your kid is and where they have been. So Spyx location tracking feature is pretty accurate. It also keeps a log of all the places your kid has been recently, so you can find out if they have gone anywhere they should not have and when. The call monitoring feature allows you to see who your kid has been talking to. It allows all forwarding and received calls. And Spyx let you see all messages sent and received on 15 plus social media apps as well as other things such as attached files, call logs, and contacts, etc. And Spyx web monitoring features allow you to see the website your kid has visited and when, and to check which pages your kid has bookmarked. So the Spyx provides an easy and secure way to monitor your child's phone. It offers a wide range of features that make it ideal for monitoring your child's phone. Knowing where they are or what they are doing while still keeping their privacy intact. With its intuitive interface and reliable tracking results, this app is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to protect their family members from potential harm. So Spyx can be a tool to monitor your child's phone activity, but it's important to use it responsibly and with open communication. Consider the potential privacy concern and legal implications before using it. So the link is available in the video description, so check it out.